set up a V2 module, you will need a V2 net, a V2 module with a sensor, a power transformer, and an Ethernet cable. Use this diagram to make sure the sensor and jumper are placed in the correct positions. This is a TPT2 sensor hooked up to input 1, so the jumper will need to be placed here, shown by the green arrow. Connect the V2 net to a power source using the transformer and plug the Ethernet cord into a network jack. On the V2 module, remove the paper from the battery contact and verify that the blue LED turns on. Open Test Wireless and authorize the program if you have not done so already. Now click Program V2 Connections and then scan for V2 devices to find the V2 net. After it is done searching, find the MAC address written on the network port in the V2 net. Use the MAC address you just found to select the correct IP address from the drop-down menu. Now connect the V2 net. Then click Change and enter the desired number of clicks you want this device to operate on. For this demonstration, we will set the number of clicks to 5. On the V2 module, click Reset and then Join. The blue LED should go off. Then click Ping the same number of times that you have clicks set for in Test Wireless. The blue LED should flash each time the button is pressed. The blue light will come on for a few seconds while it routes itself to the network. The light should then go out and flash every 15 seconds when it sends out a data packet. Go back to Test Wireless and select the serial number of the V2 from the drop-down menu on the side. The serial number can be found on the side of the unit. Then select an input and assign an input number and the type of sensor connected. Now press OK on the Windows and ensure that it reads the correct information. Now connect the battery to the board and screw the faceplate on both the V2 net and the V2 module. You have now completed the setup of a V2 and a V2 net.